Hey guys, let's turn this terracotta pot into a very chic terrazzo finish one. I have my flooring tile as a reference, and you can always download the terrazzo pattern online and just refer to it. So I'm applying a basic coat of white paint to my pot. If you want to use it as a tea holder, you can always paint inside the pot as well. Once the first layer is dry, get on with the second layer of paint. Make sure to cover all the edges. Now I am just imitating what I see on the tile and just trying to create these small dots or patches that match the color of the tile. This tile is a leftover sample from my room's flooring, and I wanted to create something that goes with the decor. I've started with the black paint first. Now I'm adding some dark gray spots. I'm also mixing white to some brown to create the color that you see in the tile. Just turn your pot around and look from all angles if you like it or not, and keep adding the spots. Here I am adding some red dots to make it a little more brighter. You can add any embellishment that you want, like a rope, a thread. Here I am using a very thin sort of rope thread and just tying it on the mouth of the planter. You can use it as a tea holder, but I'm going to turn it into a planter. And that's it. Such a simple DIY for you guys to practice in the lockdown. Bye.